Alright guys, welcome back to the bench. Hope you all had a good week. I'm still a little bit sick. Sorry if I sound congested or cough a little bit. I've been busy working on that truck. Really coming down to the wire now. I should be able to finish here either probably tomorrow realistically. Maybe if I stay up really late tonight I could. So I don't want to show it yet because I am going to do a video on that when it's done. But I did just get a new kitten, and you guys might think, well, isn't that for Christmas? And yeah, you would be right. But with having a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old, Christmas more so has become the kids opening stuff, kind of that magical feeling of Christmas, watching your kids. So last year and this year, me and my wife kind of just ordered our own stuff just to make it easy. So let's see what I've got for you today. Now, many of you may know I am already a fan, but that is the let's see, Hasegawa F-16 Fighting Falcon, but it is the Ace Combat 7 edition. I picked this up on Sprue Brothers for, I think it was $39.99. I got this one because this is actually your the character you play as, Trigger. This is his emblem. I wish they had it. Well, they do have an F-22 and an F-15, but I haven't done an F-16 yet, so I am excited to do that. I've already got the tape off for you. Now, the first thing, right on top, a stand. Now, this is what I like to see. Although it looks a little big, this stand, the plane itself may be a little bit big. I haven't done one. This is a 1/72 scale, by the way. I'm going to leave the clear parts in here. It's kind of that ghosted effect. I'm actually going to probably paint it black. I just think it looks better on the shelf. But you can see there's a lot of components. You should be able to get quite a dynamic effect there. Then you've got your canopy parts. It's hard to tell how clear they are against this frosted one, but they look pretty good. I've only ever done one Hasegawa kit, and it was like a $12 Zero, and it was okay. But I'm gonna leave this sealed up. Just to keep those protected. The rest of your sprues come in one bag, pretty loose. I guess that's probably okay. Let's set that aside for a little bit. Oh, well. There's your decals. They kind of look like Tamiya decals, almost type thickness. You can kind of see right here. Let's zoom you in. That's pretty thick carrier film right there. The funny thing about this kit is this is really what you get the kit for, because otherwise this is just an F-16, I'd assume. We'll see how those go. They seem a little thick, but we'll see how they go. Move that. I think they'll be okay. I'm no stranger to Tamiya decals. And then it's kind of your standard, instructions. Got your color guide here. Anybody that paints with GSI Krios, Mr. Hobby, I've got all your colors here. but they also have listed the federal standard colors. Excuse me, guys. Got your sprue map. I'm not sure what that is. External stores. Is that where you can mount your weapons, I'd assume? Here you can see what the stand is. Like, it holds on to the back here, and I guess you can adjust the angle of attack. Oh yeah, right there. So you don't have to cut a hole or anything. I guess before you did this, you probably don't want to move it around too much, or you'll probably wear away paint. So I guess just be careful there. And I guess it's accordion style. I'm not a huge fan of accordion style because it takes up the whole bench, or you're folding it. But another good thing, it comes with a pilot. Looks like pretty simple. I wonder if they make a regular F-16. If anybody's done a 1/72nd scale F-16, it'd be funny to see if this is actually just that as a rebox. I could probably check it on ScaleMates. I just haven't yet. This all comes in one piece, which is nice. I kind of wish they did that with the nose. I do like when the nose is one piece instead, just so you get a nice even point. But I guess they do have some slide molding there with the nozzles, or the nozzle for the engine. Your wings. Are the wings in one piece? I guess we'll see. Not sure what all this stuff is. Landing gear. I generally leave the landing gear off until the end. Just easier to paint and no chance that I bust it off, because I will bust it off. So step 8 there. You've got your main gear coming out of the fuselage. Your covers. And then that's it for the plane. Oh look, they even have a ladder. That's nice. Then you've got your armaments. Looks like you can get pretty fully loaded here. I think we go... I think that's it. Yep. Now, you've got your paint guide, or your decal guide, stencils. Actually, not a ton of stencils, surprisingly. This is a pretty small sheet for a modern fighter jet. That's pretty much it. Just your two-tone gray. Actually bought some more paints to try just for this. I wanted to try some more MRP paints. I really like that. I got these because at the time they were really the only ones making these. These are for the Japanese World War II planes. Those were their primer colors. So they sprayed really nice. So I picked up a few colors here. I'm not going to show them all right now. That'll be something separate I have planned for the future. But yeah, I picked up this specifically to do for this kit. But yeah, pretty basic. It's actually telling you, I guess, how they want you to put on their decals and whatnot. But anyways, get a knife here. Try to be careful. Excuse me, guys. Okay. Well, you can already see one of the results of the loose bagging. Now, this is all one piece, so that is nice. weapon halves and putting the fins on is somewhat of a pain. I would say, you know, put separate bags together, or, you know, maybe fit them a little tighter together, or not, because that might as well not even be in a bag besides to catch these loose parts. Oh, do we have two? Are those the same? I guess we have two nozzle options. One looks opened, maybe like for takeoff. One is more closed. That's I've never seen something like that before. Yeah, this one's more closed, you can tell. Let's see. Sorry guys. You can tell on the fins are more closed. But yeah, it's just your top half there. Panel lines are a little bit light, like they're not super deep, but they're all there nice and clean. So either you need to go super light on your paint layers, or you want to scribe those out just a little bit. Looks like those are just some pitos, tubes or something. Flash wise, I've got some flash here on the front. Right there. I don't know if this is new, but it popped up on, I was just browsing Sprue Brothers, and it popped up in their new feed, so I thought maybe this was new. This is what leads me to believe this might just be a Reebox with new decals, and it's just your regular Hasegawa F-16 with, oh, and maybe they don't include the stand in the original, but I know a lot of people like these kits, and admittedly, the Zero that I did was pretty good. No complaints. That's the bottom, I guess. Got your wheelbase. I guess your arrestor hook is molded in, or whatever that is. That looks like an arrestor hook. I don't know if they are carrier based at all. That's where your intake goes. Here's your pilot. I actually got to glue one arm on. Oh, so okay, he actually is holding the stick. That's nice. I've never seen that done before. I'm guessing these are your control panels. Or it might go on this intake. That's the right shape. Not super detailed if that's it. Here's the ladder. Got some flash on the ladder. Wheels. Got ejector pin marks right there, but doesn't look like they have really much in detail for treads. Wings are all one piece, which is nice. Again, the panel lines are a little light, but you can fill them with your nail. So definitely worth it just to maybe scribe those out just a little bit for your panel lines. Guessing this goes in the back. Sort of, if you're looking down the nozzle, you'll see this. Well, right there on the elevators, really light panel line, guys. This is definitely an older kit with new decals, but it looks pretty detailed as far as the the panel lines go, you might just want to make them a little bit deeper. That's what I'm going to do anyways. Oh, we have another pilot? This is only a one-seater. Yeah. I guess you've got two pilot options for whatever reason. Or maybe this is the, for this special kit. Oh, here's where our our lost missile goes. And then, wait, we've got 3 pilots? I wonder if I got extras. Hold on. Okay. Well, unless I got like an extra, or these are included in the, this one specifically. Now this sprue feels different. Can you tell the color? And it's not glossy. This is something new. Actually, yeah, look. This is your horizontal. That's interesting. So it looks like there's definitely some new parts. But they included all the old parts for some reason. This one looks a lot more crisp. I wonder what the difference is on this, though, how that will go in. You'll have to read your instructions carefully. This is another intake. This is kind of that same plastic, too. And then these weapons and fuel tanks are back to that glossy black plastic. So that's a little interesting, guys. We'll have to see about these. If anything, I've got 2 extra pilots to go in the box for the future, which is nice, honestly. That's actually almost worth it, just for this kit itself. But yeah, that's excuse me. That's what we're working with, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If anybody's built a 172 Hasegawa kit, F-16, let me know if this is similar. I really think these and this and this may be new parts than what would come in the standard kit. Yeah, that's what we've got for today, guys. Stay tuned for the 1/125th scale pickup, and we'll see you in the next one.